Today we'll be installing our rear door platform gearbox. This is a pretty simple installation and should take roughly 30 minutes. We recommend unpacking all of the contents of the boxes and laying them out so that you have easy access to all the items needed for the installation, and print out the installation guide if you need it. The gear storage box is designed to be compatible with Flatline Vanco rear door platforms, but can be modified for other rear door platform systems. First, you'll want to determine the height on your rear door platform that you'd like to mount the gear cage. You can do this by dry fitting the cage to your mounting surface and marking the best location to attach the gear cage to the available mounting points with masking tape. If you'd rather measure, just keep in mind that the slotted holes on the back of the gear cage are 15 inches apart. If you are using a product other than the Flatline Vanco rear door platform, mark the back of the box to match your available mounting points and drill out 4 3/8 inch holes accordingly. Plug the factory holes with the provided hardware. Now that you know the positioning of the box, you can open the lid of the box to access the mounting holes. Line up the mounting holes with the mounting points on your platform and insert the 3/8 screws with a washer and tighten it down with a washer and nut on the back side of the platform. Insert the remaining hardware into the lower mounting holes in the same order as the upper mounting holes, and attach from the rear of the platform using the same order as the upper holes. Confirm placement of the box on the platform and tighten the hardware to 20 foot-pounds. The adjustable torque hinges on the lid can be adjusted using a 5mm Allen wrench to increase or decrease resistance of the lid, opening and closing. The lid also allows for a padlock to be attached to secure items inside. And that's it. If you have any questions with this install process, or have any unique fitment issues, please reach out to our product support team for assistance. Thanks for watching.